All right, what's up guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. We got a new thing going on this for the next probably month or so, which is never done one of these, but I'm going to do a giveaway. Got a new design for a t-shirt that is dropping. I'll put a picture of it somewhere here. And so what I'm going to try to do for you guys, one of the great things I think about YouTube now is, you know, I don't really watch normal TV, and the thing that I love to do is I love to watch racing YouTube, car YouTube, anything like that. And if I can ever be a help to anybody in the YouTube community, that's what I try to be. So what we've got here is 2 GoPros and 2 64GB memory cards. These GoPros are brand new. In fact, I have never seen, I'm actually going to open this right now. I've never seen them in a case or packaging like this. These are actually, I think, these are the GoPro Hero 11 Blacks. These are brand new, and these should be able to do whatever you need to in the racing, you know, type of YouTube community. So we've got 2 of those, and so for every entry, every article of clothing that you get, that's going to get you an entry into the giveaway. So what we've got is hoodies and t-shirts. They will be on the website, and they're going to be available for pre-order. So expect them in the 4 to 6 week range from the time we get our orders placed. So go ahead to KOTVmotorsports.com and we'll get this ball rolling on this giveaway. I'd love to see people use this and start their own YouTube channel. And yeah, all right. All right guys, what is going on? So we just dropped the giveaway for 2 GoPros. I think that's pretty freaking sweet. I have been trying to plan something along these lines for quite some time. You know, I want to give back to the racing community and to other, you know, fans of the sport. And if I could do that in some way here, 2 GoPros, 2 brand new GoPros. These just came from Best Buy. I do not have any type of GoPro sponsorship. Believe me, that would be freaking amazing. But I wanted to get these out to you guys, and you know, the merch looks amazing. Constant Design knocked it out of the park. It says not your grandma's 4-door. I like it. I think it works pretty good. Let me know what you think. It's got, you know, a little bit of gold, or like a I don't know, it's a tanner color, yellow, more yellow, and I sort of like that. And so let me know what you think. The shirts are really nice. They're the same as the ones from before that we had from Constant Design, so they're awesome. Hoodies are really nice. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about the giveaway. So all right, let's talk about the Zephyr for a little bit. You know, I hate that the channel, you know, it's been a little lacking here lately because there has not been, you know, the Zephyr has been down. After you know, I had vacation, couldn't take the converter out, a couple weeks coming back off vacation to work. I mean, it's just crazy. So finally got the converter out, got it sent off, and then natural disasters. The hurricane, I think it was Beryl, whatever, Hurricane B something. You know, I sent it to Circle D. Circle D is located in Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas got obliterated by the hurricane. I mean, it got damaged really, really bad. So of course, my converter shows up, you know, the day that all hits. So delayed, and now they're backed up, which means I don't know when we'll get the converter back. I'm not too worried about it. I know that Pete and them are going to take care of me really well. So it's like, it's worth the wait. So yeah, I'm excited about it. So let's talk about something else for a second. All right, so the girl here, old big booty Trudy Whitey here, is going to get put through the ringer this weekend. That's sort of the plan. We are on the way tomorrow to KD Dragway, and I'm gonna take my chances. We've got True Street tomorrow night. I'm gonna run it. Might as well. I've got radial class on Saturday and modern muscle on Saturday. And I believe I fit all the criteria for all 3 of those classes. So we're going to try to pump it out. You know, this car does really good. It's a straight street car, and I'm pretty excited to run it. You know, she's going pretty good, pretty fast. I mean, for what it was the other night in the street, pretty excited about it. So that's the plan. We are going to be up against some bears, but this car doesn't mind a real bad surface, you know, and bumps. This car does well over bumps and stuff like that. I mean, it's been that way for forever. So pretty bumped about it, not gonna lie. I'm excited to put this thing through some laps. Hopefully we're not first round duck 3 in a row, but we'll see. So this 4Runner, I do have a full suspension lift for this. It's currently on a rough country, and it rides pretty good. It's not bad, but I've got some Bilsteins and some other things that are a little nicer that I want to put on this. Would you guys like to see that on this channel or nah? I don't, you know, technically, yeah, this is my channel. You know, I can do what I want, but I don't want to put something out that you guys aren't going to watch, aren't going to like, and yeah, so let me know. You want to see some 4Runner content? I'd like to build a tube front for this, tube front bumper, two-wheeler rear bumper. I'd like to maybe go ahead and do some rock guards just in case we ever decide to take it off-roading, which I highly doubt. But let me know if you'd like to see that, and yeah, we'll see what you think. All right, so I got another little unboxing video here. It's been so long since I've talked, you know, like done a good, like a video with you guys, that I got my Father's Day gift. I don't know if I showed you guys. Should I keep this for if we do a big build, like, you know, if we build the 2-door, or should we go ahead and put this in the Zephyr? I'm gonna open it here off camera so you guys can't see it till the last second. Boom. I love these wheels. I love, Levi had one in his. I love the way that it feels. It feels very nice. Very nice deal. So got that. Wife bought that from Motion Raceworks. So I'm going to put that on the car, either on this car or on a car at some point. So tell me what you think. Should I go ahead and put on the Zephyr, or should I save it for the other Zephyr, for Zephyr, the small Zephyr? Well, same size Zephyr, a 2-door. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. It's really just a recap of things, and guys, go ahead and get in on the giveaway. I really want to give you know, these 2 GoPros to somebody. We're probably going to run the giveaway through, what is today, is the middle of July. I will probably run it to the end of August and see. I may lose my butt on buying these GoPros, and you know, whatever. I'm not about really making money on this deal. It's not. I mean, YouTube doesn't pay me. You know, I barely make enough for a tank of gas. So, but I'm appreciative of that. It's really awesome. So, yeah, this car is coming back real soon. I'm really excited for it. The white car has got some stuff on the way for it as well, pretty big items, and so we're going to be doing some stuff to it. Because as funny as it seems, like I've got to get really fast with this car, or you know, Whitey fits a whole lot of classes being a street car. So which one do you do? You know, like I'm going to try to do both is my plan, and keep the white car on E85 duty and this one on our full race car duty, and go from there. I've actually got to load those tires over there. I got to load those up. Those are my radials. If I don't forget those, that would be bad. Also, another little thing. How can I show it? Let's see here. Let me show you. See that little box there? I'm keeping it for not a rainy day, but we've got some other stuff in the works. It's been really tough, guys. I'm not gonna lie, work has been tough. We've had a lot of stuff going on, and getting stuff done has been crazy. I'm working on another video at the garage. I'd like to have it sort of done before I drop that video, and that's a lot of work. You know, I'm putting the garage together, getting it done, and trying to record stuff there a little bit. And man, wiring and working after coming home from work, it's tough. It really is. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to have a whole lot more content here soon. If you are at KD Dragway, come say hi. And I don't know, I'll have very minimal merch that I've got in the truck. Y'all ran me out of that stuff. So hit that pre-order. I'm going to drop it. Link is in the description, and you can get in on it. So, all right, guys, appreciate it. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the